Yeah, and we'll do a contest on Roy. That'll be fantastic. And one last one. And then we... Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your hands. We'll pass on a mic to you. Please identify the media house you're from. And that way, and identify yourself. And then please take the question. Please direct it at the person whom you'd like to answer.
That's a good sign.
Hello. Yeah.
Any questions?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Yeah. Hi, this is
Hello.
Manisha here from Dainik Bhaskar. Just wanted to know, the promotions are done, everything is done. Now you guys are looking relaxed. So what are the plans for tomorrow? Like, it's a Valentine's Day, it's a special day tomorrow.
Firstly, we are not relaxed right now.
Is it?
We're
I
just
thought you
very
were
good
relaxed now.
actors.
You should see us when we get into the car.
It's a wonderful feeling when the film is open really good. So that feels great. For Valentine's Day, we both had made a pact with each other a long time ago that if we will be going to watch Roy together tomorrow. And then she's going to dance Chitya Kalaiyan for me.
And then he's going to take me shopping.
And I have to take her shopping. So that's what we're going to do.
अर्जुन शिखा here from Bollywood नजर अर्जुन आप एक बायोपिक कर रहे हैं अरुण गावली के ऊपर उस पे सुनने में आया है कि आपको एक लीगल नोटिस मिला है कितनी सच्चाई है और आप मिलने भी गए थे उनसे तो इस थोड़ा क्लियर करेंगे इस न्यूज़ को
मेरे प्रोड्यूसर ने उसका क्लैरिफिकेशन वैसे दे दिया था मगर हाँ मैं एक बायोपिक कर रहा हूँ अरुण गावली पर और मैं जे हॉस्पिटल गया था एक रेकी पे अपने प्रोड्यूसर के साथ एंड वहाँ पर कोई पुलिस के गाड़ियाँ खड़े थे तो हमने पूछा कि कौन आया है क्योंकि जे हॉस्पिटल में मोस्टली ऑल द क्रिमिनल्स कम हु हैव फॉर देयर ट्रीटमेंट्स और उन्होंने कहा था कि अरुण गावली हैं उस हॉस्पिटल में तो थोड़ी सी लालच थी एक एक्टर की और उस हिसाब से मैंने कहा कि यार जाके हेलो तो बोल देते हैं और गलती मेरी थी मुझे नहीं जाना चाहिए था बुरा लगता है एज अ क्रिमिनल एज अ लॉ के हिसाब से देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग टू गो एंड मीट समबडी मगर आई नो आई कुड हैव पुट द पीपल हु वर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम जो पुलिस वाले वहाँ पर थे who was supposed to take care of him. मेरी मुलाकात उनके साथ 5-10 मिनट के लिए ऐसी लॉबी में हुई थी और शायद उनको दिक्कत हो और मैं यही चाहूँगा कि दिक्कत ना हो तो जब पुलिस ने मुझसे पूछा था जब कि क्या हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी और मैंने उनको ये बात समझाई थी तो वो समझ गए वो जानते हैं कि हम एक फिल्म बना रहे हैं और मुझे आगे भी जाके उनसे तो मिलना ही पड़ेगा तो वो सिर्फ बता रहे थे कि कौन से परमिशंस लेने हैं कैसे जाना है क्या करना है
Hi Jacqueline, Khushbu here. You sung very well as we saw. So we can expect in future you will sing as a playback singer in your movie?
Expect what?
As a playback singer you will sing in future in your movie? We can expect?
You never know.
I thought she sings really well, doesn't she? She's a beautiful voice.
I'm asking.
Yeah, I think so.
Honestly, it's not something I think I need to concentrate on my acting for now. I think I'll be distracting myself if I think about all that other stuff. I want to concentrate on my acting and my dancing for now. Yeah.
जैकलिन कुछ न्यूज़ थी ऐसे घूम रही थी कि कोई भी
आपको ये न्यूज़ ही घूमती हुई कहाँ नजर आई
मुझे कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिलती इसलिए मैं कंफर्म कर रही हूँ हाँ देवर रिपोर्ट्स कि कोई भी फिल्म साइन करने से पहले या फिर कोई स्क्रिप्ट आप सुनती हैं तो आप सलमान से पूछती हैं क्या ये सच है पूछती हैं उनसे फ़ोन करके
हाँ पूछती हूँ
Like before signing any film, you take permission or you consult?
Not permission. Hello. What is this? No, but I do ask, and I ask from a few people as well. You know, people I feel that I can trust who know about the industry, who know about movies. Jaise Salman, jaise, yeah, advice. You know, like 'cause a lot of the times, I mean, I do consider, even though I have been in the industry now, I've done a couple of films. I feel that you know there are people out there who I can trust who have a lot more experience than me, And I'd like to get their feedback about, you know, certain movies before I go and sign them and make a rash decision.
जैकलीन, अर्जुन जैसे बायोपिक फिल्म कर रहे हैं, क्या हम आपको कभी किसी बायोपिक फिल्म में देखेंगे या किसकी आप करना चाहते हैं?
A biopic?
या
If I was to do a biopic? I think we've not we haven't made a biopic on Mother Teresa yet. Here? I could be Mother, yeah. I would like to play Mother Teresa. It would be very interesting to see. Because then I'd get to learn about her as well. And I do think that she was a very, very important figure in Indian history.
Last question for the day.
Yep. Jacqueline, Kick 2 की script सलमान लिख रहे हैं. How true is the news?
Kick 2?
Yeah.
That's very sad because I've not heard about it. I'm very sad right now. I didn't know that he's read it. No, I don't know. I don't know anything actually. I don't know if it's been conceptualized or not, or if there is a script for Kick 2. But I hope so because the first one did very well. So it would be great.
जैकलिन, रणबीर कपूर भी है इस फिल्म में, तो उन्हें कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगी वैलेंटाइन डे के लिए उनकी?
Am I in a position to be, you know? Well, see, I have a date, okay, for Valentine's. I heard, that he's going to be taking Vicky on a date for Valentine's to watch Roy.
जब हम दिल्ली में promotions कर रहे थे साथ में रणबीर के साथ, तो हम लोग ने सब एक पैक बनाया था. तो I think he was going to ask Jacqueline, but I'd already asked Jacqueline to go out. तो विकी हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं वो बच गए थे. So I think Vicky and him know each other since they've been kids. So I think they're spending Valentine's together.
How romantic.
Thank you. And let's make some noise. Wish them all the best for Roy. It's open today to some bumper openings. Make some noise for them. Come on, everybody. Where's the noise? Thank you, Jacqueline. Thank you, Arjun, for being here with